5 tips to stay overweight and binging for life. Number 1, firstly, eat like a 4-year-old as an adult. 14 to 1800 calories is fine, even though you'll eat that much in a single binge. Popular diets recommend you eat this for the entire day, yet the USDA recommends this for a 4 to 9-year-old child. This will definitely keep you binging. Number 2, center your diet around high-fat foods. Even though you can eat more than double the amount of carbohydrate at 4 calories per gram versus 9 calories per gram of fat, the goal here is to stay overweight. So high-fat foods are a must and will give you a bonus glucose deficiency. This will definitely cause you to binge hard and store fat efficiently. Number 3, don't change your diet and eat more carbohydrates. Go to a therapist instead and try to talk your way out of binging. After all, your basic physiological needs don't matter as much as your childhood. Number 4, foods without fiber, water and carbs are your go-to, as they don't stretch the stomach or fill you up, but still give you loads of fat, which adds effortlessly to your fat stores and will leave you instantly hungry for more. It's called fat for a reason, because that's where it's going, to your fat. Number 5, pretend there's no such thing as bad foods and try to fool yourself into thinking you can eat anything and everything in moderation. This will definitely create deficiencies that will be met with a huge ass binge. I'm a fruit-based nutritionist, and these are my